So I've cut out the tape and scissors. I cut out the ones I'm going to use to glue them. See how it goes. So I take this first one. It's going to protrude a little so that it will help with binding the two edges over like this. See, it comes a little bit here, it comes a little bit here. And you take this, you're going to fold it over. I won't do that just yet. Okay, I'm going to do that this side too. See how that goes. It's very neat. This length, you could also tear it off, but I like to see the mistake now. I prefer to cut it. I can have something very neat and accurate. Set it aside. I have this too. I have this too. Let it bulge out a little. I want it to always come out. I must straighten the joint. And it's time to carry it up. Watch this. Take this to the side. Like this, like this. You see this edge? Smoothen it and take it over. It's like L, smooth. And this, fold it over. That's perfectly neat. So do it to the rest of them. Okay. I'm going to tear this slightly. It goes into that corner. Listen to, goes into that corner. It strengthens the joints. Doing the same thing here. Make sure to touch each other. Touch each other. This goes in here. Press it firmly, firmly, firmly. And this also goes in there firmly. Smoothing it. And this goes too. Close to each other. Smoothing it to the back. And come to the front to join it flush together. Very close to each other. Perfect. Make sure they align properly. This is the cover. It's a very tight and firm. See? Rigid box. Our beautiful interior lining.